Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, Karnataka State Law University has filed writ appeal against the order which we have received from the Dharwad bench. 50 is to 50 formula. The Dharwad single bench has been given the order for 3 years LLB. The same today, Karnataka State Law University made file against the order, what we call 50 to 50, which we have received for the 3 years LLB. For that case against writ appeal, Karnataka State Law University has made it at Dharwad bench. So this is how today we have received the informations, so that I am sharing in this video. Especially Karnataka State Law University, they have filed writ appeal against the order judgment what we have received from the Dharwad bench, that against Karnataka State Law University has filed writ appeal today. So we need to wait what will be going to happen again. So there will be a against tremendous, what do you call, time and situation we need to face, especially 3 years LLB students now, as of now. And parallelly, as you all know, that 5 years LLB cases also is pending with Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore bench. So that also we need to wait and see. So far, as per my knowledge and my views, that even 5 years LLB students also will be going to promote as per the order of 50 to 50 formula, what we call 3 years LLB. So this is my own view and my own thought. So this is my, once again I repeat, this is my own view and my thought, because right to equality. So there is no discrimination among, what you call, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Even if 3 years LLB get promote means, parallelly 5 years LLB should also get promote, because here we need to have the equality among LLB students. There is no discrimination for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, as per my view and my thoughts. So that is the reason we hope even 5 years LLB students also get promote along this. Whether we have written already examinations or not, that doesn't matter. But my view and my own thoughts here is right to equality, equality among 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students, because we are all same community and same belongingness, whether it could be 3 years LLP and whether it could be 5 years LLP. There is no discrimination among in between us. Again, the court, Dharwad bench court, has been pronounced that order. Why? Because the petitions as made by the 3 years LLB students. If could have made 5 years LLB students also, they could get the judgment parallelly along with that. So thing is that we have to, we should have a little patience to uh, get good results as per my knowledge. So I hope this video have been clarified about the present status of writ petitions at Bangalore bench, and as well as Karnataka State Law University has been filed against the 50 to 50 formula judgment writ appeal. They have filed today. This is for your informations. I am sharing this video. So I hope I have clarified of two doubts. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty, so that you will notified very good videos like this for your academics, examinations, and as well as the what you call trends in the KSLU and as well as among the students. Thank you.